Peasant Restaurant, Peasant, is on St. John Street. If you're coming from south, it's on right before the junction of Percival Street and Skinner Street. So you can't sit on a right because of the traffic light and center reservation. So if you're coming from south, do a right on Compton Street, left Acton Street, left Percival Street, left St. John Street, sit on the left. The Acton Street spellings Agton, Acton Street. To go north, you can use the same turnaround, left Compton Street, left Acton Street, left Percival Street, and right into St. John Street. National Liberal Club on Whitehall Place, which is no entry from Northumberland Avenue. If you're going into the club coming from Northumberland Avenue, you have to use left Great Scotland Yard, left Scotland Place, left Whitehall Place, settle on the right before the one-way system, just after the Whitehall Court. If you're leaving the club, you can leave on left on Whitehall Place, left Whitehall Court, right or left into Horsguard Avenue. Old American Embassy on Grosvenor Square, leave on right on Grosvenor Square for Brook Street, right New Bond Street, or right into Grosvenor Square for Carlos Place. If you're coming from Grosvenor Street for Grosvenor Square, right Park Street, right Upper Brook Street for Grosvenor coming from Grosvenor Street for Grosvenor Square for Upper Grosvenor Street, right Park Street, right Upper Brook Street, and for into Grosvenor Square, sit on the right. A Great Ormond Street Hospital for Children or Hospital for Sick Children is on Great Ormond Street on left facing to Lambscondor Street. Baker's Hall on left on Harp Lane, right Cross Lane, right St. Dunstan's Hill, left or right into Great Tower Street, and if you go left forward into East Cheap. Abbey Road Studio on Abbey Road on left facing Grove End Road Junction, and that's it. Pavilion Apartments on St. John's Wood Road opposite the Lord's Cricket Ground. Sudan Embassy on Cleveland Row, coming from Marlborough Road, forward Marlborough Gate, left Cleveland Row, and set down on the right. And if you're coming from North St. James's Street, so right and left Little St. James's Street, left Cleveland Row, and set on the left. You can't do right on Cleveland Row from St. James's Street because of the center reservation. So you can't do right on Pole Mall as well. Clarence House on right on Stable Yard facing Cleveland Row. So leave on a right Cleveland Row, and Lancaster House opposite the Clarence House on Stable Yard Road. If you're going east from Sudan Embassy or any of those points, you have to go Cleveland Row, left St. James's Street, right Ryder Street, left Bury Street, left German Street, left St. James's Street, left Pole Mall. Duke's Hotel on St. James's Place on St. James's Street. As you do right from King Street, right St. James's Street, left into St. James's Place, Duke's Hotel on the left, and Stafford Hotel on St. James's Place as well. If you go right from St. James's Street to St. James's Place, right St. James's Place, set on the right, Stafford Hotel is on the right. Ethiopian Embassy, Iran Embassy, and Polish Museum of War is on Prince's Gate, entrance from Kensington Gore, and exit on Kensington Gore as well. Sorry, not Kensington Gore, Kensington Road. And another part of Prince's Gate, which is forced you left on Exhibition Road. Uh, Tunisia Embassy and UAE Embassy is on Prince's Gate on left facing Exhibition Road. United States of Emirates or UAE Embassy is on Prince's Gate, force you left on Exhibition Road, and Tunisia Embassy is on Prince's Gate, force you left on Exhibition Road. Afghanistan Embassy is on Prince's Gate, corner of Exhibition Road, and set down will be Exhibition Road. Entrance is on Exhibition Road on left. To set down on left for Afghanistan Embassy, there's no right turn on Exhibition Road from Kensington Gore when you coming from west. So go forward on Kensington Road, right Prince's Gate, left Exhibition Road, set on the left. And if you leave Afghan Embassy, Lanesborough Hotel is of Lanesborough Place. When leaving, you are forced. You have to go left or right into Grosvenor Crescent, and left into Grosvenor Place. And Wellesley Hotel, number 11, Knightsbridge. As you miss the Lanesborough Place on your left on Knightsbridge, Wellesley Hotel is on left just before the Libya Embassy. Wellesley Hotel to Shakespeare New Globe Walk, because it's one way. This hotel is in one way bit of Knightsbridge, so you first available left is Wilton Place. If you go Wilton Place and left Wilton Crescent, then you are forced left on Grosvenor Crescent. So you need to go left Wilton Place and right Wilton Crescent, forward Wilton Terrace, and left Belgrave Square or comply Belgrave Square. Then leave by Upper Belgrave Street, or you can go from Wilton Crescent right into Motcombe Street and left and right into Lowndes Street. So when you're coming from south, always remember from Belgrave Square, leave by Wilton Terrace, forward Wilton Crescent, left Wilton Place if you're going towards the Berkeley Hotel. Touches of Bedford's Walk or Upper Phillimore Garden both goes forward into Holland Street, right Horton Street. And if you are going south towards Kensington High Street, then you don't need to take Holland Street. From Upper Phillimore Garden, the Jordan Embassy is on right. Leave on right on Upper Phillimore Garden. First available right is Argyle Road, left or right into Kensington High Street. But if from Bedford, Touches of Bedford Walk, you have to use the Holland Street. Surrey Quays Shopping Centre on Deal Porters Way, and it's off Redriff Road. Is on left facing Redriff Road. Cooperfield Street is off Great Suffolk Street and Great Guildford Street. Chinese Cricket Club Restaurant. This is in Crown Plaza on King's Court Street. For Crown Plaza or the Chinese Cricket Club Restaurant, which is set on point, will be King's Court Street, which is off Tudor Street. From Newbury Street, left Tudor Street, left King's Court Street. And when you leaving, the leaving will be leave on left on King's Court Street, left Watergate Street, force left on Newbridge Street, And if you're going towards south, left to the street again, first right and right, Bridwell Place, and fourth right on Newbridge Street. Comedy Store is on Haymarket. Uh, the address is Oxender Street, but the entrance is on Haymarket. And Comedy Theatre, which is on Penton Street, on left facing Haymarket. Now it's called Harold Pinter Theatre. Harold Pinter, Pinter. Founders Hall on Cloth Fair, Long Lane. If you're coming from Lindsay Street, left Long Lane, right Cloth Street, right Middle Street, 4 Cloth Fair, Saturn on the left. Islington Boxing Club on Hazelville Road, on right facing St John's Way. King Fahd Academy on Bromyard Avenue, can't set on right. So when you're coming from south, comply roundabout, leave by Bromyard Avenue and set on the left.